Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
So, hello guys, yes, this is Sexy Polo Pure Honey, Sexy Polo Foundation. This is a clapping polo, and as always, you know, every Christmas I donate to the less privileged ones. This is not a less privileged. I've been to the maternity home where I gave birth to my son. This has been my dream always, just to come here, because since I gave birth, I've never been here. I wish my son is here so the mommy will see him, that he's with my mom, and I'll bring him here for you to see him. I'm so happy. They are so good. When I came here, they treated me nicely, and I gave birth freely, with no cuts. They are good people. They will help you to give birth. They will comfort you and give you the best. That touched my heart. So the little I got, I said, let me bring it here. We have a lot of mothers here who cannot buy everything they ask them to buy here. So for my support, I bought something for sanitary pad, Dettol, Parasol, baby comfort, a lot of things I can't mention it all. And then water. I got them water in case someone is pregnant and the person is thirsty. They won't go out to buy it, but they'll pick it from here for the pregnant woman. I love you, man. That's and thanks for receiving it.
Thank you very much. We are most grateful for what you have done. It's not everybody who remembers where he or she went to, but you have remembered us. And if we understand Christmas well, it is about giving, because God gave his only begotten son to us, so that through him we will all be saved. So we thank you very much, and we are encouraging all women, if it will go on air, wherever it will go to, if you have been to a labor ward before, you know what goes on over there. The midwives and the clients together, they go through the things. So I'll encourage every woman who have the means to go back to where he or she delivered, to go and donate whatever she may get to the client. Because as she said, it's not everybody who gets things when they are coming to deliver. You will see the midwives struggling to get diapers for them, call sheets and other things. But by God's grace, he brought us some. So we are going to use it for the purpose for which he brought it. We thank you very much, and we hope you bring your son next time.
Hi, oh, mommy, I will even bring him so you see him. Aside this, maybe if God permits, tomorrow or tomorrow this, because he'll be coming. He's with my mom.
We thank you very much.
Please.
General. Betty, there are slow picture. Slow picture. Betty,
You remember me, yeah?
Sure.
Mommy.
She's part of the foundation.
So, Coffee top, coffee. Thank you.
We assisted, so if you are giving anything, you have to give to those who are.
But I just gave you yours. Yes. Maybe you want yours, yeah? Take yours. Your campus girl. Oh, who man is this?
Let's go, give it to the friend.
No, we have to beyond nothing. They are not with that person, they must so. Please, everyone should sit. Coffee jar, let them sit. When they have their lesson, you give them. If I will not be any of the one, if I will chop. This is for the lady. Hospital, what born no piano piano. Hospital, what fed the that's it's just no. Wait for me, please. This is what I want to because I don't know.
Yeah, it's like
I'm coming, please. Please wait for me.
How many? Say cheese. Say cheese.
Take a picture.
Oh yeah.
Hello. Oh, she's so cute just like me. Baby. Oh. Oh, wait,
You know, if your people know that, if I have a relation, I thought, no, come with me. You don't know now. Don't know about it.
So this is baby white. This is so fast we are doing. This is parasol. And this is baby softly. So you wash the baby in the first time before you allow the removable. And this is pampers for her. Nice meeting you.
Oh, what a nice meeting.
Please take care of the baby. Eh? Don't let anything hold you back. Don't let anything let you show this baby anywhere. Because you will not know. When I gave birth, my baby papa didn't help me. But now my son is 7 years. It's God who takes care of kids. We don't take care of kids. You wouldn't know who this baby will become. Don't let us let you do things we are not supposed to do, okay? Nice. Thank you.